Is this tweet? Is he saying that U.S. will have ADA and Solana and XRP as part of their reserve assets, just like Bitcoin, Ethereum as well? Like
That's what
the
it looks
government
like.
is going to buy these coins?
That's right.
No.
That's a crypto strategic reserve. We don't know what the requirements and the details are, but it sounds like he's saying that alongside dollar currencies and gold, crypto would be purchased as a strategic reserve asset.
This is I believed firmly that they were going to do a reserve Bitcoin, right? Reserve asset Bitcoin. Never did I even think they would be purchasing ADA. Never.
Never even occurred to me. I thought it was just going to be regulation around
Right.
altcoins, especially after the Libra incident with President Malay, where that went belly up so unbelievably fantastically. Right on the heels of Trump and Melania, I was like, this seems just too good to be true. Well, turns out it's true. And so what we are so I just wanted to make this clear. This is the point I wanted to make for this video because you want to make money on this stuff. So people who are thinking this pump now we're in a bullish regime and it's going to launch, we're going moon 250,000, let's get the tattoos, let's get the t-shirts. I'd hold off on that, right? You still want the levels to be confirmed that that's what's going to be happening.
You sound like
So
Mike right now.
well,
Traders Post.
let me show you one thing over here. So previously, this was I was looking at before. This was tweeted out February 27th. So this is showing Bitcoin, so leverage Bitcoin on different crypto exchanges and the liquidation map. All right. So this is showing over here, this red is where the current price of Bitcoin is at the time it was on 80,000. And then to the left is all the long liquidations and the short liquidations. All that means is that there are people who are taking leverage bets. They're not just buying Bitcoin, they're buying a leverage Bitcoin. If you wanted to buy $1,000 worth of Bitcoin, you could just buy it straight out. But let's say you only wanted to risk $100 worth, right? So you buy $100 worth, but you want to be able to control $1,000 worth. Well, then you're buying 10x Bitcoin,
Right.
which
That's
means
your jam, right?
exactly, which means that if
50x.
Bitcoin moves up, you're making profit on it as if you had $1,000 worth of Bitcoin without risking $1,000 worth of Bitcoin. You could only have a negative position of $100 because that's what you put in before your position gets liquidated. So you
Right.
could only the price could only fall 1/10 of the way that it would normally before you lose everything.